place has turned to sand, a place with no start and no end. In my mind I see clear water, endlessly waiting for us. Is there someone there? A voice that will turn back the light, take me anywhere. Falling, wearing my crown. Oh, tell me, will I float, will I drown? Oh, burning, feet landed on the sun.
In dreams, your body is made from all the things I love. Your eyes are full moons, your lips wine, your hands pens weaving stories about us, stories that will last through the filth of a lifetime of love. You stand tall in dreams, like a new creature, different than the rest, your own universe. And the thing that baffles me to the very core is the way you look at me as if I am the beautiful one, the unique one, the one list of my world. And then I wake up, roll over, and there you are, gazing at me the way you were in my dreams. I smile happy, baffled again by the way your humility swallows me.